Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service, and we're proud to say, according to our reviews, we're doing a great job. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.